So this is a room tour of room 629 at Rocky Gap Casino. It's got an old school lock on it, which is temperamental to say the least. So I've left it open, and this is probably the most traditional room, shall we say, that I've stayed in so far. This place is basically a golf destination. There's a great golf course here, and I'll show you the lake and everything. The accommodation, I don't know, I'm not sure when this was ever last renovated. Not in the last 10 years, that's for sure. But it's, it's perfectly clean. So bathroom there. They've clearly stuck these canvases up to sort of try and spruce the place up a little. I'm not sure it's worked particularly. This is a standard queen room, and it wasn't cheap. It was $199 plus various taxes, including a state tax and a occupancy tax and a resort fee of $25. In total, it came to $258, which, so I'm not sure that's really good value for money. I mean, there's not really much to show you. The safe is under there. A couple of bottles of free water. But the actual grounds and everything are really, really nice. So you have that lake out there, which you can actually take a pedalo out if you want to, or a canoe or something. Got nice some ducks down there as well. Over in the side, that's my handprints. Over in the side, if you can see through the bird shit on the window, it's like a little mini beach. You can see that right on the right hand side there. You also have an open window with some mesh on it, so you can get some real fresh air in. So this was only a 2-hour drive, and is designed as a bit of a chill out day. We're going to do a live stream shortly. And the casino actually is quite nice. I'm not sure I'll be able to give you a walkthrough of it because it's relatively small. I will try, but I'll probably do that in the morning. But anyway, this is the standard queen room for Rocky Gap Casino, $258. It is what it is. Speak to you soon.